In India, you only know for sure whether you can use a trademark without committing trademark infringement once it has been registered. That makes registration of your trademark in India necessary. If you do not have a trademark registration, you can only rely on the Trade Name Act to protect your trade name. However, this is a much more limited protection than trademark law. Do you want to enter the Indian market with your product or service? Then it is important to go through a trademark registration procedure in India. After filing your trademark in India, it will be assessed by the competent authorities. When your trademark is very similar to an existing trademark, when it is too descriptive or too general, it can be rejected. If your initial application is approved, it will be published in the Indian Trademark Journal. After making this public, third parties have 120 days to object. You will receive a certificate for trademark registration in India when all steps within the registration process have been successfully completed. Within India, trademark registration is carried out directly by the Indian Trademarks Registry, which officially belongs to the government. As a foreign company, unlike residents of the country, you must be represented by a local law firm. However, this route is not only option. India is a member of the Madrid Treaty for the registration of international trademark. Depending on the circumstances and your further plans as a trademark owner, an application via the Madrid Protocol may also be effective, and in this case, you do not need an Indian trademark attorney. A trademark registration in India is valid for 10 years from the date the application was filed. An application for extension can be made from 6 months before the expiry date. If you fail to renew before this date, you still have 12 months to do so. This does involve higher costs. In India, it is very important that registered trademarks are actually used. If this has not been the case for 5 years or more, your rights may get cancelled. However, this does not happen automatically, but only when a third party submits a request to do so. If your trademark registration in India is cancelled, all rights associated with it will lapse. The cost of trademark registration in India depends on the number of classifications that is relevant to the trademark. Most trademarks need 1 to 3 classes, but it is very well possible to get the protection in all of classes 1 to 45.